So here's Rutherfords Goldfoil Experiment. Here's what he thought was going to happen. Remember, he was doing this to try to prove that Thomson's theory, the plum pudding model of the atom, was correct. So he had a device that could make alpha particles. They're positive. So here they are. And they're being shot at a really thin piece of gold foil. Basically, as thin as you can get it. Okay, and what he thought should happen is that all the alpha particles should go straight through. How was he going to know? He put this screen around it, and if an alpha particle hits the screen, it lights up just in that spot. Okay, so that's what he thought was going to happen. Here's what actually happened. So when he shot the particles at the gold foil, some of them went through like he thought, so he'd see things light up here. But they also lit up in different locations so that it showed that alpha particles came through but kind of came off on an angle. And then even more surprising were the ones that were here. So they actually hit the gold foil and didn't go through at all but bounced off. And that'd be like shooting a gun, shooting a bullet at a piece of Kleenex or tissue paper and the bullet bouncing back. That was bizarre. So what did that mean? It meant that Rutherford thought that the atom must be mostly empty space, so hence the particles can still go through. But there had to be something, which he called the nucleus, that when the alpha particle hit it, it would bounce off. And he thought it must be positive because a positive and a positive would repel each other. So it would hit it and bounce off whatever was in the nucleus, okay? Or graze it and it would kind of deflect it. So he said atoms are mostly empty space, but they've got something really dense in the middle, called it the nucleus, and said that the parts of the nucleus that are positive, let's call them protons.